Hi, I am Pavol, creator and co-founder of Collboard, the first Czech online whiteboard that helped tens of thousands of teachers in the Czech Republic during the pandemic and after. Collboard has two core features. It is extremely simple and intuitive, and everything is shared immediately without any technical struggles. It is also extremely modular and extensible. Idea is simple. You can create a whiteboard, take the link, and share it with your friends, students, or colleagues. They can join the whiteboard and start collaborating immediately. You can also add various widgets to the whiteboard, such as stopwatch timer, interactive objects, math tools, and more. For developers, we have an API that allows you to create your own objects that can be added to the whiteboard. This can be great for businesses that want to create their own interactive whiteboard but don't want to start from scratch. We have integrated Collboard with electronic pupil books, H-Edu, which is used by many Czech schools.